Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excellent place and teacher, excellent place and family, excellent place and friend. I want to explain to definitive of sneezing. Definitive of sneezing as monoton, allergic, were heard every day. You may have afraid or tolerant when everyone looks on suppress their sneezing or other resource for sneezing variation. Individuals can sensitive to irritants and allergies. Sneezing equip how to sneezing properly as the test for sneezing control and the prevention. The point sneezing is one way then English and the dishes are spread to comfort the mouth and nose is with no panic and then just acquit of sneezing in Islam. Do you know then Allah Azza wa Jalla like sneezing yawing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.